I have a camera.
You want
No,
more? You
I
want
have
more?
a camera. I have a camera.
Hi, I'm Russ. I'm rebuilding a 1977 Mobile Traveler motorhome, and this is all about the MT and me. Hi, and welcome back to the MT and me. Well, me, anyway. As you can probably see, the MT is nowhere to be found. That's because we has a little bit of winter here. Yeah, about 4 or 5 inches of snow in South Arkansas, which has totally paralyzed the place. As for me, I'm stuck at work. You can see, the lady, our Jeep Liberty, she's sitting on the edge of the parking lot. That's as far as she got, and she's not going anywhere else until things thaw out a little bit. That means I'm stuck here. I can't be back home working on the MT this week. So, Ree and I are just gonna snuggle in, stay warm, and wait it out until things thaw. In the meantime, we've got a video put together this week that shows us looking for leaks on the MT. Hope you enjoy it, and hope we'll be back soon with warmer weather and more work on the MT and me. Ree says that this is an example of how I'm an idealist, that I always expect situations to just be ideal. It's funny, it looks better now than it did when I looked at it before. Maybe it's just because I'm not in
Nebraska?
right, yeah, I'm not in Nebraska. It's the Nebraska sunlight made it look bad. Okay, see, we got a lot of resealing to do all along this. But the thing is, I don't think we have a lot of leaking going on. At least not from the inside. Tell you what, let me know in the comments below if you think I'm being an idealist or an optimist when I say things like this. And of course our busted skylight here. The only leak in the roof that we know of. But the seal between the cab over and the rest of the roof looks good.
You just holding the camera in one direction and pointing with your hand in the other.
No. Whether it was optimism or idealism, I was wrong. Of course, there were more leaks. Well, had a pretty heavy rainstorm last night. I just opened up the door and stepped in, and just as soon as my weight shifted the vehicle this direction a little bit, I heard water start streaming down in here. So yeah, looks like we had a little collection coming through the leak. Come on, I'll show you. All the water was streaming out of this one spot. Now it's just a drip. Obviously, it had collected in a low spot of the ceiling and streamed out when the level shifted. What is not immediately obvious is exactly where the water came from. Ceiling's going to come out anyway. So. But yeah, that was a nice little stream of water that came. That went up my sleeve. Nice little stream of water that came out. Kind of gave me a shock whenever I stepped in. So, yes, the old girl's got a few leaks, but hey, we'll fix them.
That we will.
Well, this end does not look wet. Here. Whoa! It's covered in trash, so I don't want to dump it down. Yet, but yet. This is falling a little further on its own than I left it too. Oh yeah, yeah. So back down on the ground from cleaning up on the roof, I come down, I look inside, and I see this. The ceiling is starting to fall inside. Now, granted, it was already come loose right along that back set of braces there, and it was hanging down a little bit, but nothing like this. So I can only assume that my walking on top, and I think I sat on the air conditioner unit some, so all those combined probably shook it loose and made it fall down to where it is. Well, that's about all the cleanup we're going to get done for this video, I think. You see, we're in southeast Arkansas and we do get a little winter. So with the cold and the so yeah, a little bit of winter, I think is what I said, right? I will never laugh at a groundhog again, I tell you. So yeah, I am back home after spending a week sleeping at my studios, which is what you do during a weather crisis when you work in local media. So, you know, that's okay. Had to leave the Jeep there. I'll go get her and drive her home when it thaws out a little bit more. So now that the precipitation is over with, I want to go inside Pearl here and see what she looks like. See if she's any worse for the wear. This is where one of the leaks was. And it is dry. So that's good.
I see water on the overcab there. Right.
Oh, it just dripped. Yeah.
Right there, yeah.
Just saw it right there. You're right.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, on that seal there, well, chances are there's ice and snow piled up right along that, and so
You're not climbing the ladder to find out.
Oh, come on. So overall, it looks like she's done okay. At least as far as
Well, this isn't her first snowmageddon.
no, that's true. She spent many winters in Nebraska where it's like this every year for what, about 4 months out of the year. So
I have no idea.
at least. So yeah, I imagine she's done all right. So this is just it's just highly unusual for us here. So in our next video, we'll be telling you why we chose this particular motorhome to buy. It's going to be interesting. In the meanwhile, we're going to kind of reevaluate and try to figure out what to do next. We want you to like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like this, if you're not too shivering to do so, and by all means follow us on our Facebook page too. All right. Hopefully next time around, Snowmageddon 2021 will be on its way out. Till then, I'm Russ. Bree's behind the camera, and we will talk later. And now,
Like, that was good.
I'm
Oh, no, you are not.
I'm
Oh,
gonna
no,
get
you are not. Oh, no, you are not.